Welcome to Protect Nature. Here, we will witness the dramatic images of devastation caused by hurricanes and floods. We will see the destructive power of nature through hurricanes that wipe out everything in their path and floods that submerge entire cities, leaving behind devastation and loss. Every image, film, and story on Protect Nature is a wake-up call and a call to action. Our actions can help reduce the impact of climate change and protect the planet. Let's continue our journey of discovery to better understand the challenges we face and find practical ways to protect the Earth. Are you ready? Let's get started. One side of the iceberg suddenly cracked and fell into the sea. Oh my God, that giant tornado was scary. Giant rocks and soil suddenly fell from the cliff, but fortunately, the motorbike was able to avoid danger in time. The flood was so severe that it caused a high risk of landslides. Cars are being swept away by floodwaters. It's scary. Oh my God, huge rocks are cracking and falling from the top of the mountain. The floodwaters rose rapidly, creating a destructive force that caused the house to collapse into the rushing water. A loud rumbling sound was heard as the large block of earth slowly rolled down, shaking the entire area. Houses were swept away by flood. It was scary. Landslides seriously obstruct traffic. The waves became fierce and rolling because of the storm that was raging on the ocean. The flood was rushing down from the mountaintop. Oh my God, the car is being swept away by the scary flood. The waves crashed in and submerged the entire town. The volcano's top is smoking and lava is erupting. Red lava flows down the mountainside, sweeping away everything in its path. The rocks and soil fell away and crashed into the river. Roads were blocked by landslides, making travel difficult. The volcano's smoking peak is a warning of the power lurking deep underground. When the volcano erupted, red lava flowed down the mountainside, forming a raging river of fire. The soft soil from the continuous rain caused the whole hill to collapse. The flood rolled in, the raging water knocked down the bridge, sweeping everything away into the raging current. Heavy rain for many days caused landslides. Huge blocks of earth were slowly falling down from the edge of the mountain, carrying trees and boulders with them. The storm, with terrible strong wind, really scary. Prolonged rain caused serious landslides on the road. The floodwaters that flooded the city threatened to cause serious flooding. The snow-capped mountains stretched out and fell into the sea. The scene was majestic. The raging flood swept the car away, It was terrifying. The flood from the mountain suddenly rushed downstream after the storm last night. The flood swept mud into the town, causing serious traffic disruption. A terrible tornado was forming in the sky. The clouds were thick and dark. Debris from above fell, creating a blinding dust storm. Lightning struck the balcony of the house. It was terrifying. Large blocks of earth fell down. Dust rose up, blocking the sky. The rising floodwaters have caused landslides, leaving many areas severely damaged. Heavy hail poured down. The whole sky was submerged in white water. Oh my God, the car is being swept away by the flood. Snow fell continuously for hours, freezing the river, and pieces of ice drifted ashore. Strong winds blew up, causing trees to fall onto the house, causing it to collapse. The landslide caused a series of trees to be uprooted and fall down the cliff. A thick cloud of dust rose up after the rock fell, covering a large area. The giant tornado is destroying everything. The rain had terrible wind. The flood from the mountain brought with it dirt, rocks, and trash, which was terrifying. The raging flood eroded the riverbank, causing the house to slowly sink and then be swept away by the rushing water in the blink of an eye. Oh my God, trees and rocks are falling down from the cliff. The storm with terrible winds destroyed the house. It was scary. The storm passed, leaving everything in ruins. Oh my God, the giant tornado is destroying everything. Storm with terrible wind gusts. Landslides in mountainous areas cause traffic congestion. Oh my God, the terrible strong wind blew the roof off. Oh my God, the flood was scary. The avalanche on the mountain rushed down, creating a majestic and terrifying scene. The powerful flood swept away mud and soil, flooding the village, leaving behind a scene of devastation and chaos. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to discover the terrifying power of natural disasters and their far-reaching impacts on the environment. We have witnessed the devastating effects of typhoons, tsunamis, landslides, and learned valuable lessons about human resilience and resilience. Your concern and enthusiasm are a great motivation for us to continue our mission of protecting the environment towards a safer and more sustainable future for everyone. Together, we will continue to strive for a healthy and hopeful planet.